Nowadays, there is no aunties who can tell us how we can treat our husband, how we can take care of our marriages. Nowadays, things are different because, guys, sometimes when you saw a person in social media who have got that content about talking about bedrooms, things, the way you are treating your men, sometimes follow that person. Sometimes it will help you one day, maybe it will help you in your marriage, because nowadays there is no aunties, because those aunties sometimes they failed their marriages, but long time ago, before you are married, they can stay with you and start discussing about how you can treat your men. Nowadays things are different. That's why you saw people, especially in 20s to 30s, those people, they are making mistakes in their marriages, first marriage, because you don't have a auntie who can stay with you and talk to you how you treat your men like long time ago. So when you saw a person in social media discussing about it, that person, guys, you have to follow that person and listen very careful, because sometimes you can get a help, you can be helped by other people about, guys, some of the people they discuss about bedroom issues on social media. Sometimes don't judge those people who are discussing, because you can get a help to those people, because some of the things you don't know, but other people, when they are doing their content, listen sometimes, because it will help your marriage one day. People are getting help nowadays, even about relationships on social media, because you don't get a good advice nowadays to even to your friends, or to other people, they don't tell you the truth. But when you come in social media, guys, social media is helping many people.